What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. President Clinton knew when to fold them. He knew when to hold them too, and he set his William J. Clinton Foundation up shortly after leaving office. I don't know when, but I picked this up on eBay because I was just intrigued. I've been intrigued with the Clinton Foundation, kind of its rise and its fall, the work that it did, the scandals, and I kind of wanted something from that I could afford to add to my list of huge organizations that may no longer be with us anymore. And like, I have stuff from Motorola and Enron and stuff like that. But this is kind of interesting. I actually did like their logo here with the stars kind of in an angled three-dimensional C for Clinton. And then I think this became like the Clinton Global Initiative. Actually, there were various things. There was the foundation and then the Clinton Global Initiative. And it was not always clear what they did separately. And that was part of, I think, what the problem was. What can I do? 52 ways to improve the world. So what's kind of interesting about this card is not only is it a standard size deck of playing cards, which you can use, but I'm assuming, as your filler card, that there are little suggestions, on what to do. Energy and climate change, are they all that? I don't know. No. Poverty alleviation, global health, religious and ethnic conflict. So they came up with 52 ways to help the world, to improve the world. And so as you're playing, you can learn a little something too. Become a little social justice warrior. What can I do? What can I do? So I'm sure there's things like, sell government favors for personal donations and lie under oath and enrich yourself. Oh, no, wait, it's a separate deck of cards. But conduct an energy audit of your home or business. Okay. Replace your light bulbs with compact fluorescent bulbs. Alrighty. Or LEDs. That kind of shows you the age of this already. Buy or rent a hybrid car and not fully electric. Man, these are not aging particularly well. Buy energy efficient appliances like Energy Star. Buy a flex fuel car and fill your tank with ethanol. Calculate your carbon footprint, reduce your energy use, and then offset the rest with investments in clean energy. Okay. Or buy carbon offsets, make yourself feel better. Update your company's energy management system with smart metering. Man, they replaced the power meter on my home with a smart meter years ago, and I had no choice. Ask your electric company how you can buy clean renewable power. Oh, right. Walk, bike, carpool to work. Yes, if you can. Donate. There it is. There's the call to action pitch. Invest in a clean energy fund. Demand action from your elected officials. This is 52 ways to improve the world. So I guess they can be pretty general here. Demand action from your elected officials. Install solar water heaters or solar electric panels on your home or office. Man, none of these are like cheap. Or I would even say money saving, poverty alleviation. Good thing they had this in the climate change and not in the poverty alleviation, because these are the ones that I don't know that I need to know how to help other people, but I need to figure out how to put two nickels together myself. Create new financial instruments for small businesses to access capital. Create new financial instruments for, is that something that we can do? I feel like this is a deck of recommendations for large Fortune 500 companies. Brew fair trade coffee in the workplace and buy fair trade products. Okay, start a work program in your workplace to provide pro bono volunteer services. Okay, great. I'm kind of curious what is in the global health. Implement a model workplace health and wellness program to generate awareness among your community. Get an annual physical. Do that. Stop smoking if you smoke. Teach children about diet and exercise to prevent chronic disease. There's got to be something in here that's going to be really good. I'm kind of curious. Some of these just have like a regular background and then some have a picture. I've noticed that. So I'm not sure if that's like the money shot there, like right here. Maybe it's just to like really drive that point home. And then religious and ethnic conflict. Well, that's an ongoing. Organized screenings of films dealing with issues of cross-cultural conflict and tolerance. Just be warned, FBI does not allow you to rebroadcast copyrighted materials in public or without the express written consent of the producer. Organize inter-ethnic or inter-religious community work efforts. Bring people with diverse backgrounds together via sports or company social activities. Make sure that you have religious and culturally sensitive food. Lead periodic discussions about pressing global affairs and crises. That sounds like a real uplifting conversation. All right. All right. Oh, here's the picture one. Attend a religious service other than your own. Like any religious service, then, would be fine. Oh, what? Why does this one have multiple pictures, man? They really are driving that one home. Anyway, 52 ways to improve the world. I'm not taking a huge issue with it, but it's just kind of funny. I don't know when these were produced. I don't know that it says it here, but something that they produced, handed out. Kind of a clever idea. I don't have any problems with it. I don't really have any problems with any of the suggestions there. Just a little funny. I didn't really, seek out a particular list to change the world. What I really wanted was something that said the Clinton Foundation on it before all of their memorabilia disappeared. So anyway, this is their deck of cards. You can still find these. I picked this one up on eBay. There's a lot of Clinton Foundation type of stuff out there. Pens, shirts, tote bags. I've heard donations are down lately. So I think a lot of the tchotchkes out there can be had for really good prices. Link in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.